Hello and welcome back to ESL Success Hub. Today, we will be exploring the idiom "hit the nail on the head" through the story of Felix the Fox and Olivia the Owl. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a clever fox named Felix and a wise owl named Olivia. Felix was known for his quick thinking, while Olivia was renowned for her experience and good judgment. One day, the animals in the forest faced a significant problem. The river that provided water for everyone had suddenly dried up. The forest creatures gathered to discuss what had caused this troubling situation. Felix and Olivia joined the meeting, determined to find a solution.
I believe something is blocking the river upstream, causing the water to stop flowing.
Olivia nodded, her eyes twinkling with recognition of Felix's keen observation.
Felix, you may have just hit the nail on the head.
The animals agreed to investigate further. Upon reaching the river's source, they discovered that a large fallen tree was blocking the water's path. Felix quickly devised a plan.
We need to move this tree to let the water flow again. If we all work together, we can solve this.
The animals began to practice moving logs and stones, preparing for the big task ahead. With her wise advice, Olivia guided them on the best techniques to use. With practice and teamwork, they managed to clear the blockage, allowing the river to flow freely once more. The animals cheered, grateful for the solution to their problem. Olivia turned to Felix and said,
Your quick thinking and clear description of the situation led us to a solution. You truly hit the nail on the head.
From that day on, Felix and Olivia were not only recognized as the clever and wise leaders of the forest, but also as a team that could solve any problem together. And so, the forest thrived, with water flowing and life flourishing thanks to the clever fox and the wise owl. The end. Don't forget to check out our study materials that go along with this video and like and subscribe for more stories, like this one, to practice your English at ESL Success Hub.